Welcome back to the channel. Well, after getting our traction bars installed by BWoody Performance, we headed on down to the track to test them out. In the process, we ran into a nice little GTR, so we figured we had to test them. Might as well test them against the GTR, right? So we did. Take a look at the videos. Let me know. As always, comments are welcome. I'd like to know what you guys think of the video, the editing styles. We actually had a couple camera issues, so I didn't get like as much different views as I normally get, but I got what I could get, which I felt was still pretty decent. But take a look, let me know, and we'll go from there. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Going on here with this GTR, man?
It's a 2014 GTR, full bolt-on intake exhaust, fuel pumps, injectors, converted to E85, flex fuel dyno tune, put down about 725 to the wheels on a Mustang dyno jet.
Nice, sweet. And what's the best this car's run?
10.4, 136.
10.4?
Tires. Yep.
Woo. All right. Sounds like it's gonna be some fun.
Yeah, should be a good race.
Yeah. To run a GTR. And just like that, got a spinning issue. I think it's time to just put a tire on here. Tire or get an all-wheel drive transfer case. I think it helps as well. Alright. So we got past the little cleanup. Now back to round 2 of the GTR. Door. I believe he got me though, but door to door, much better than, much better than that first race. And that was me basically just flat punching it. Still had some spin, but yeah. Thank you. All right. Basically just yeah, lost that all on a tree. So, man outdrove me, man outdrove me. All right, we'll do one more for the third Third run. Okay. A GTR. Third take with the GTR. So let's see what she does. Last one was a close race, but he did edge me. I slept at the tree. Yeah, he red lit that. I'm pretty positive of that. I could be wrong. I don't think so. I think that 10.5 had from the last race where I slept. I think that had him on a little on alert. That's probably why he left like that. And then I spun too, leaving right behind him. Thank you.
Sorry.
Yep. Thought he red lit. Okay. Well, last race, GTR red lit. So we're running it back again. 3 straight losses to the GTR. Love it. Thank you. Round 5 with the GTR. Round 5. Let's see. Sucks. What?
There it is.
I red lit.
Oh, did he? Got it started fun, man. Be easy.
Yeah, man. What can you do? You know? Day of losses. Had some nice runs, you know. I mean, I ran faster than the GTR a few of the times. Tied it one time, and then had that really bad issue that one time. But it's all for what, you know? Driver and vehicle have to be in sync. And I was not in sync with the vehicle today.
I got Harley back. I'm going
Cool guy, a lot of fun, but would have preferred to have gotten some more wins, not so many losses. But hey, it's a nice car, cool guy. Well, after seeing the races, yeah, 4 losses, 1 default win from a red light, and a lot of spinning. One thing I can say is the traction bars do work. I didn't get any wheel hop, but in place of wheel hop, I now have spin since the tires kind of stay down now. So we're not breaking anything, but we are spinning the tires, so we have to either make some suspension mods or add a tire to it, get a drag radio on here. We're gonna probably try suspension mods first. I'm really still stubborn in trying to oppose doing a drag radio, but as long as possible. But we did have some fun, got some good testing in with the new traction bars. Again, big shout out to BWoody Performance. Those guys came through for us with those bars and they work. But like I said, we got some good data in there. We were able to find a nice vehicle to race that was pretty evenly matched. It's just like I said, I'm doing more testing, but I still was trying to win. Don't ever get that wrong. But he was able to just stay consistent and pile up the wins. So felt that'd be a good vehicle that you guys would like to see. There wasn't too much else there that was on even playing field with me, because, well, I don't know, you know. But I thought that was fun, and we know what we need to do next. So we'll be back. Try not to get as many losses. Try and get some W's, some earned W's, and we'll go from there. But hope you guys liked the video. Again, like, share, subscribe, and I don't know, watch the video like 10 times or so. But thanks again for watching my videos.